Dear HR partner, retaining top talent shouldn't feel like a battle. Before I share more, does anyone have a question? Yes, I do. Many companies proudly showcase great workplace certifications year after year to attract talent.
But at the same time, we've seen some of them go through silent layoffs. How do we make sense of that?
And if people start looking for changes in response, doesn't that risk damaging trust and fairness among employees? I also have a question. Doesn't that put at risk employee morale, retention, and even the company's long-term credibility?
These are very important concerns, and you're right, the people challenges are real, but they are also solvable.
The truth is, traditional workplace surveys and certifications were designed a long time ago. They often focus only on surveys, branding, and regional benchmarks. But today's workplaces face far deeper and more complex issues where sustainability, transparency, and resilience. At Frandzzo's amazing place to work, they go beyond branding and conventional checklists. We decode 78 workplace culture issues in real time through the lens of business resilience. This helps leaders and employees stay aligned, ensuring that trust, morale, and credibility remain strong even in the most difficult times.